दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का अपने RAS केमिस्ट्री मस्ती चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज का टॉपिक हमारा क्लास 12 नीट जेई के लिए है, जो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो देखते हैं क्या टॉपिक है, लेकिन चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करते हैं। क्या टॉपिक है? CBSE बोर्ड का चैनल है, ठीक है। एसिटिल क्लोराइड aldehyde and aldehyde and ketone or acetone by preparation acetone by preparation alcohol in presence sodium amalgam. Okay, this is heading very most important. Acetyl chloride formula are single bond C double bond or single bond Cl with reaction hydrogen gas H2 in presence sodium amalgam NaHG. Then to multiply forward hydrogen element are single bond CH2OH plus positive sign HCl is called alcohol is called hydrochloric acid. Chloric acid is called acetyl chloride is called hydrogen gas. Okay, another steps or in use place CH3, then CH3 C double bond or single bond Cl. Okay, with reaction hydrogen gas in presence sodium amalgam then acetyl chloride and hydrogen gas. Okay, forward to multiply preparation compound CH3CH2OH positive sign HCl is called ethanol, is called hydrochloric acid, Okay, just now reactions notes. Aldehyde by preparation alcohol aldehyde formula CH3CHO. Okay, with reaction hydrogen gas H2 in presence sodium amalgam NaHG, then product CH3 CH2OH is called ethanol. Ethanol. Okay. If only use place R, then CHO is called aldehyde. Aldehyde. Okay. Called aldehyde with reaction hydrogen in presence sodium amalgam NaHG. Then preparation alcohol or single bond CH2OH is called alcohol. Okay. Chemistry is a very easy subject if your mind ठीक है focus only study. H2 is called hydrogen gas. Just note ketone. R1 R2 general formula C double bond O is called ketone. With reaction hydrogen gas in presence sodium amalgam NaHG, then preparations reaction R1 R2 CHOH is called secondary alcohol. Is called secondary alcohol. Alcohol. Okay, good. If my lecture clear, then lecture like and subscribe and shares himself friends WhatsApp and Facebook. Okay, it's called hydrogen gas. Another conditions are 1 or 2 in use CH3 group. Okay, please. CH3 C double bond O is called ketone. Ketone. With reaction hydrogen in presence sodium amalgam Na and Hg. Okay. Then preparations reactions product CH3 HOH is called secondary alcohol. It's called secondary alcohol. Alcohol. Okay, good. It's called hydrogen gas. Just note my lecture high speed study, then himself phone setting low quantity speed and lecture download again repeat. Okay, because competitions next heading carbohydrate carbohydrate by preparation, carbohydrate by preparation, monohydric alcohol, monohydric alcohol. Okay, this is heading very most important. Okay, carbohydrate, sucrose, carbohydrate, sucrose, with reaction, sucrose with reaction water, sucrose with reaction water, then sucrose formula C12H22O11 with reaction water, water formula H2O, then indole preparation product C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6, okay, is called glucose. Glucose is called fructose. Fructose is called sucrose. Is called water. Okay. Again glucose heating C6H12O6, then preparation product C2H5OH plus CO2, okay, is called ethanol, is called carbon dioxide gas. CO2 is called carbon dioxide gas, carbon dioxide gas, okay. Ethanol is called ethyl alcohol, international union paper and applied nomenclature, okay. Reactant C6 and product 2 and 2 6, okay. Hydrogen 12, hydrogen 2 10 and 1 2, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Oxygen 6, oxygen 2 1 2 and 2 2 4, total 6, okay. This is the reactions note. Next, ethene by preparation alcohol, ethene by preparation alcohol. At look everyone, children's only focus study. Ethene by preparation monohydric alcohol, okay. Ethene by preparation monohydric alcohol. If my lecture at clear everyone point to your mind, then please like and subscribe and share, okay. Ethene CH2 double bond CH2, 1 2 carbon atom, then would use H. The carbon atom to carbon atom himself present nation double bond, then any word use. Okay. With reaction sulfuric acid H2SO4 in present temperature 75 to 80 degrees centigrade. Heating, then preparation CH3 CH2 HSO4 is called ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Is called ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, it's called sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Again, ethyl hydrogen sulfate with reaction water. Again, CH3CH2 HSO4 with reaction water H2O. Okay. Then reaction preparations compound open structures. Your mind at clear point to HOH. Okay. Then preparations H2SO4. H2SO4 H2SO4 and another compound CH3CH2OH negative sign. Then CH3CH2OH is called ethanol. Is called sulfuric acid. Is called sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is called water. Just nomenclatures. At look everyone nomenclature. This is reactant nomenclature. First reaction ethyl hydrogen sulfate in product. Okay.